In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a circular fade effect in Canva. So start by adding your background. Then next hover your mouse in Elements and add in the square shape. You can also pick rectangle. Then next is just fill out or stretch out this shape to cover up our background. Then next is click on the shape and click on color. From here, scroll down and choose any gradient color. Then next is click on add a new color. This will open up this advanced setting. Now from the style, we're just gonna switch to circular gradient. Next is choose your color point. Do it the same with the next color point until you have four color points. Now click on the first two color points, starting with the first one, and set the opacity into 0. The same with the second one, and set it into 0. And just by that, we have now created a circular fade effect in Canva. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!